This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range 371 mph is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a boardwalk interior, sleeps 8, water heater, skylight, spare tire kit, self-contained, smoke detector, LP detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, external shower, oven, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range 371 mph is 12,779 pounds. This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range 371 mph. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.